What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. Quick video today. Only one bird. New Slingshot, relatively new bands, and a headshot. See you in the woods. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Toasted them. All right, we got us a beautiful grouse. Quick video today. Tagged him clean, headshot. You can see broken bone here and a bit of brain matter. He was done very, very quickly. This is a Cottonwood Natural. Let's check out the grain on that thing. It's a gorgeous flip. This is Sniper Sling Green 0.7. It's kind of a newer latex for me, but I'm liking it a lot. And that is 25-20 taper. The shot was about 10 yards. This is a spruce grouse. This will be added to the 5 I've got hanging in my shed, and it will become chili or tacos or game pie or something excellent. All right, have a good one. See you in the woods.